Emily Rivera, a permanent resident since 2016, is finally taking her U.S. naturalization interview. Watch her navigate the Civics Test, English exam, personal and 400 NARA yes or no questions in this realistic interview simulation. Let's begin. Good morning. I'm Officer Garcia, and I'll be conducting your naturalization interview today. It's nice to meet you.
Good morning, officer. Nice to meet you too.
How are you today?
I'm a little nervous, but excited.
No need to worry. Stay calm and you'll be fine. Did you come alone?
No, I came with my husband.
Where is he now?
He stayed in the waiting room.
Before we begin, may I see your appointment notice and permanent resident card?
Yes, here they are.
Thank you. Please follow me. You may place your belongings here next to your chair. Before we start, I need to place you under oath. Please remain standing and raise your right hand. Do you promise to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
Did you understand the oath? What did you just swear?
I swore to tell the truth.
Perfect. You may sit, Miss Rivera. Let's review your application. Please tell me your full name.
Emily Rivera Gonzalez.
Have you used any other name?
No, I haven't.
You mentioned in your application that you don't want to change your name. Is that correct?
Yes, I don't want to change my name.
Okay, what's your date of birth?
March 10th, 1992.
You've been a permanent resident since 2016?
Yes, I got my green card in June 2016.
And you're applying under the 5-year rule. Why do you want to become a U.S. citizen?
I want to vote, and I want my son to grow up with all the opportunities of being American.
Good. It says here you are from Colombia. Do you keep Colombian nationality?
Yes,
Can I see your passport and your state-issued ID?
here you are.
Thank you. All right, what is your current physical address?
1230 Ocean View Drive, Unit 5, B. Miami Beach, Florida, 33139.
How long have you been living there?
11 years.
It says here that you have a son. Was he born in the U.S.?
Yes, he was.
When was he born?
February 21st, 2021.
All right, and have you traveled outside the United States in the last 5 years?
Yes,
How many times?
I traveled 5 times.
Where did you go?
I went to visit my family in Bogota.
And did any of your trips last 6 months or longer?
No, they didn't.
When was your last trip outside of the United States?
December 21st, 2024.
Did anyone accompany you on the trip?
Yes, I went with my husband and son.
When did you return?
I returned on January 6th this year.
All right. Have you ever claimed to be a U.S. citizen?
No.
What does claim mean?
To say something is true.
Okay, and do you currently owe any overdue taxes?
No.
Have you ever served and been a member of, assisted, or participated in any military or police unit?
No.
Have you ever received any weapons training, paramilitary training, or other military type training?
No.
Have you ever given any U.S. government officials any information or documentation that was false, fraudulent, or misleading?
No, never.
Have you ever been removed or deported from the United States?
No.
Do you support the Constitution and form of government of the United States?
Yes, I do.
Do you understand the full oath of allegiance to the United States?
Yes.
And what is the oath of allegiance?
A promise to be loyal to the United States.
Great. Are you willing to take the full oath of allegiance to the United States?
Yes.
If the law requires it, are you willing to bear arms on behalf of the United States?
Yes.
If the law requires it, are you willing to perform non-combatant services in the U.S. Armed Forces?
Yes.
Do you understand what non-combatant services are? What does it mean?
Services that do not involve combat, like nursing or cooking.
If the law requires it, are you willing to perform work of national importance under civilian direction?
Yes.
Now, let's move on to the civics test. You'll need to answer at least 6 out of 10 questions correctly to pass. If you answer 6 correctly, we'll stop there. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Great! First question, there were 13 original states. Name 3.
New Hampshire, New York, and New Jersey.
Who is the father of our country?
Washington.
Okay, name the U.S. war between the North and the South.
The Civil War.
What did Susan B. Anthony do?
Fought for women's rights.
Who was president during the Great Depression and World War II?
Franklin Roosevelt.
What major event happened on September 11th, 2001 in the United States?
Terrorists attacked the United States.
Great job, Ms. Rivera. You've already answered 6 questions correctly. That means you've passed the civics portion. Well done. Now let's move on to the English test. For this part, I'll ask you to read one sentence aloud and write one sentence. You'll need to complete just one of each correctly to pass, though I may ask up to three if needed. Do you understand the instructions?
Yes, I understand.
Perfect. Let's begin with the reading portion. Please read this sentence on the tablet for me.
Where does the Congress meet?
All right, do you know how to use a tablet?
Yes, I use one regularly.
Then please write on the tablet. Congress meets in Washington, D.C.
Could you repeat that, please?
Certainly, Congress meets in Washington, D.C. Congratulations, Ms. Rivera. You've passed all portions of the test. You should receive your oath ceremony notice within 30 days.
Thank you so much.